In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete DNS records on Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard, how to find the right entry, and how to remove it safely. A quick note before we begin. DNS records control how your domain connects to websites, email, and other services. Deleting the wrong one can break things. So take a moment to confirm you're working on the correct domain and record. Start by opening your Cloudflare account. Head to the Cloudflare dashboard the way you normally do and make sure you're viewing the account that contains the domain you want to manage. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your domains. Click on the specific domain where the DNS record lives. This brings you to that domain's overview, and from here we'll move into its DNS settings. Next, click DNS. This is the section where all your DNS settings are managed. Inside the DNS area, click Records. You'll land on a table that lists every DNS record associated with this domain, including types like A, OIA, CNAME, MX, TXT, and more. This view lets you scan the name, type, content, and status of each entry, so you can be sure you're targeting the correct one. Now, select the specific record you wish to delete. Find it in the list and click the box next to it to mark it for removal. Take a quick moment to double check the record's type and name. For example, if you're removing an A record for the root domain or a CNAME for a subdomain. Confirming those details helps avoid unintended downtime. If you have multiple records with similar names, read each line carefully to ensure you select only the one you intend to delete. With the correct record selected, click the Delete option. Cloudflare will prompt you to confirm the deletion. This confirmation is important. It's your last chance to verify you've chosen the right entry. Read the prompt, and when you're confident, confirm the deletion. The record will be removed from the table and you'll immediately see that it's no longer listed. After deleting, changes typically propagate quickly, though some networks may cache DNS for a short time. If a website or service was relying on the record you removed, it may stop working until that dependency is restored. So, plan the removal during a maintenance window if the record is actively in use. That's it. You opened your Cloudflare account, chose the correct domain, went into DNS, reviewed the records list, selected the exact entry, deleted it, and confirmed the change. Clean, simple, and effective.